Alright, YouTube, another install video for the 1150 Navigator. Today is the smokestack. Alright, first step of the install is take out the plate of the smokestack. Alright, once you remove your smokestack plate, you're going to have your seal and your smokestack. You want to make sure you line them all up before you place them, that way they're all sealed and connected. We put tape on the outside of the screws, that way they'll kind of stay in place as we're putting these in. And once you get them in, we'll tighten them up. Alright, once you get everything lined up, you're going to start screwing everything in. And you're going to see the seal a little bit, but that's okay. Just going to make sure you get everything screwed in and tight. And you're going to have a smokestack. Alright, once you get it, all the screws and everything tight, it's time to do the top.